Hello friends, welcome to Gabriel Engineering and Modeling Service. Today's video, I want to show you how you can reset your Solidworks 2021 back to the factory setup. Or maybe you are having a kind of problem on the interface, or you customize your interface to have different command and tabs, and you are now finding it difficult to return it back to what it is before. I know this video is going to be of help to you. Just watch it to the end. As you can see, this is my interface which I customize. I have this command here, and I also have this tab here as well. So let's close this as we start the process. So you are going to come to your search key. Just hit on your search key and type reg editor. Then you have this app, then you launch it. You click yes. Alright, so it's going to bring this interface to you. What you are going to click now is HK current user, because that is where your profile is. HK current user. Then you click on it, and also you come to software. Click on software. Then you search for Solidworks. Search for Solidworks. Here I have my Solidworks. You click on it. Now this is all the keys and the command on Solidworks. We have Solidworks 2021, we have Solidworks CAM, we have Solidworks PCB 2021. So these are all the keys and products of Solidworks. Then you come to this Solidworks 2021 and you rename it. Okay, maybe let's rename it. Don't delete it, because you may want to need the interface later on. So don't delete it, just rename it. Or you click on, let's rename it as name, Solidworks 2021 name. Then you have this, click your enter key. So after renaming it, just close this reg editor. And also let's launch our Solidworks 2021. Let's launch it. Solidworks is going to behave as if you've never used it. When you just install it on your PC, that is how it's going to behave. So you click on accept. Then everything, your documents, everything is going to disappear until you now begin to reopen them. So you close this, then you click on new, create new parts. So this is the interface. It's back to the factory setup. Then if you now later want another thing, you can begin to remodify it. I hope you like this video, and I hope it's helpful. Just subscribe to our channel so that you can get the notification each time we drop any new video. Thanks for watching.